Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of a chapter is The Magic Wrap. Magic means जादू, wrap means cover और you can say shawl. एक ऐसी shawl जिसके अंदर कुछ जादू रहता है. The state of Assam is home to many tribes. Each tribe has its own traditional custom and beliefs and its own tertiary of folktales. The following is a folktale popular among the Garo tribe of Assam. The Garos call themselves Achikmande, meaning men of the hills. They believe that their original homeland was Tibet. Nobody knows when this story was first told, but it has been doing the rounds for generation. Means nobody knows when the story first told. The story is going on generation to generation. This story is about the Assamese folk tale. Folk tales means old story which have their tradition means of fairy tales, and tribe means a group of people or community with similar values or interests. In a village of Assam, there once lived a chief of the Garo tribe. His ancestors had been chief before him, so he was a rich man. It means this story is about a village in Assam, and there lived a chief of the Garo tribe. Chief, you can say he was the king of a Garo tribe. His ancestors means पूर्वज, or you can say forefather, means जो चीफ थे उसके जो फोर फादर थे वो भी पहले चीफ थे. मीन्स दे वर ऑल्सो किंग बिफोर हिम, सो ही वॉज अ रिच मैन. सो दैट इज़ ऑब्वियस कि आपके अगर एंचेस्टर्स चीफ होंगे और किंग होंगे और आप भी किंग होंगे तो ऑब्वियस है आप रिच होंगे. इस हाउस वॉज मेड ऑफ द sturdiest bamboo in the land, while its door and windows were draped with the finest cane matting. Means the house of the chief was made of sturdiest means strong. It means strong bamboo in the land, while its doors and windows have a beautiful decoration made on it. Means they have a beautiful clothes on the door and the window, which is beautifully embroidered with the finest cane matting. Silk carpets lay on the floor. Means on the floor there was a carpet which was made of silk, and copper lamps gleamed from the recesses in the wall. And there was a copper lamp. Gleam means glow, and the lamp was glowing from recess. Recess means a space in the wall of a room, especially for shelves and cupboards, etc. Means the lamp was kept there on the shelf which was made on the wall. The chief and his wife led a very comfortable life indeed. Means here the chief and his wife had a very comfortable life. They loved their home. They both loved their home and the beautiful wooded country in which they live. And the beautiful wooded means covered with dense growth of trees. Means the chief and his wife, they had a very comfortable, means they are living very बहुत आराम की ज़िंदगी जी रहे थे. They loved their home. they उनको अपना घर बहुत अच्छा लगता था. उन्हें अपनी कंट्री बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. Most of all they love their daughter, and इन सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये था कि they love their daughter. She was an only child. means वही एक उनकी इकलौती बच्ची थी. Good nature and lovely to look at. means she was having a good nature and she was good. The chief and his wife doted on her. Doted means loved someone very much. It means the chief and his wife loved his daughter very much. She was beautiful and she had a good nature. When the girl grew up, she fell in love with a young man from his own tribe. Means when the girl grew up, she had fallen in love with a young man from her own tribe, and the man from his own tribe was from the group of person, or you can say group of community of their own tribe. Her parents liked the boy and the marriage was settled. Means their parents, the chief and her mother liked the boy and the marriage was settled. Means the marriage was fixed. After marriage, the bride and the groom were to move in with the chief and his wife. On the eve of a wedding, the girl's mother took her aside and said, "My child, as a wedding gift." Means the day when the wedding was going to be done, the girl's mother took her aside and said, "My child," means जिस दिन उनकी बेटी की शादी थी, तो जो उनकी माँ थी वो अपनी बेटी को बुलाई और बोली कि ये आपका ये है वेडिंग गिफ्ट. "I am giving you garments made of the softest silk." means here the mother is saying, "I am giving you garment." मैं आपको कपड़े दे रही हूँ जो बहुत सॉफ्ट सिल्क से बना हुआ है. "I am also giving you ornament," and I am also giving you ornaments means jewelry. I am also giving you made of gold, that are made of gold, and studded means set with rubies and emerald. Means the gold which I am giving you, the necklace or the jewelry which I am giving you have rubies and emerald. But one more gift I am giving you, and that to me is the most precious of them all. And here the mother is saying to her daughter that there is one gift that is precious of them from. means एक ऐसा गिफ्ट है मेरे पास जो इन सब सारी चीज़ों से भी प्रीशियस है. मीन्स द क्लोथ्स एंड द ज्वेलरी एंड द गोल्ड विच शी हैज़ गिवन टू हर डॉटर, उन सब चीज़ों से भी ज़्यादा एक बहुत प्रीशियस गिफ्ट है जो मैं आपको दूंगी. द मदर सेट समथिंग अंडर हर ब्रेथ. मीन्स द मदर सेट समथिंग अंडर हर ब्रेथ. मीन्स जो माँ रहती है वो बहुत ब्रेथ में बोलती है. मीन्स ऐसा बोलती है कि जो उनकी जो डॉटर होती है वो भी नहीं समझ पाती कि उनकी माँ क्या बोल रही है. देन अनलॉकिंग अ शॉर्ट वुडन casket, she took out a wrap made of silk and embroidered with 1,000 flowers in all the colors of the rainbow. Then the mother took out the casket. She took out the wrap made of silk and embroidered with 1,000 flowers in all the colors of the rainbow. Means then उनकी जो माँ रहती है वो एक बॉक्स निकालती हैं जिसमें वो रैप रखा रहता है. वो रैप एक सिल्क मटेरियल का रहता है और उसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा डिज़ाइंस बनी रहती हैं. 1000 फ्लावर्स जिसमें बने रहते हैं डिफरेंट कलर्स के. They stone so they dazzle the eye. Means that wrap was shining very much. "Oh mother," cried the girl. Means here the daughter cried and said, "Oh mother." Means she was very excited to see that. Stretching out her hand eagerly to touch the wrap. Means after seeing that beautiful wrap, she stretched means उसने अपना हाथ आगे किया उस रैप को लेने के लिए एंड टच करने के लिए. बट हर मदर स्नैच इट अवे. बट उनकी मम्मी ने उस कवच को स्नैच मीन्स उसको दूर कर लिया. डोंट शी cautioned, "Don't you touch that wrap before you know the story behind it." Here the mother is saying to her daughter कि जब तक आपको ये स्टोरी नहीं पता चलती है इस रैप की, कभी भी आप इसको ऐसे टच नहीं कर सकते हो. दिस रैप वॉज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ गॉडेस टू माई ग्रैंड मदर्स on her wedding day. Means here the mother is saying to her daughter that this wrap was a gift. ये जो एक wrap है ये gift है, भगवान जी ने दिया है, जो कि हमारे एंसेस्टर मीन्स हम मेरी जो ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर हैं उन्होंने दिया था अपनी डॉटर को जब उनकी वेडिंग थी. मीन्स द रैप इज गोइंग ऑन थ्रू जनरेशंस. It has since been handed down from mother to daughter. Means हमेशा ये रैप एक मदर अपनी डॉटर को देती है ऑन द वेडिंग and it goes on by generation to generation, but it is no ordinary wrap. Here the mother is saying that ये कोई नॉर्मल सा रैप नहीं है. But you touch it, you must chant a magic spell that I shall teach you. Here the mother is telling that you should not, means तुम्हें ये टच नहीं करना है. पहले एक मैजिक चैंट है, पहले उसे बोलना है, देन आपको ये रैप को टच करना है. मीन्स द मदर इज टेलिंग टू हर डॉटर कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चैंट अ मैजिक स्पेल. मीन्स आपको एक कुछ मंत्र बोलने हैं, देन आपको वो रैप को छूना है. रिमेंबर अ ग्रेट डिजास्टर शैल befall anyone who touches the wrap without first chanting the spell. Here the mother is telling her daughter that a great, बहुत बड़ी एक डिजास्टर मीन्स तबाही आ सकती है. ऐसा हो सकता है अगर कोई इसे रैप को छू लेगा बिना स्पेल किए, मीन्स बिना मंत्र पढ़े, तो बहुत बड़ा एक तबाही या डिजास्टर हो सकता है. The girl soon learned the spell. She assured her mother that on no account would she touch the wrap without first chanting the spell. Here the girl is assuring, means she is giving a assurance to her mother that she will not touch the wrap. First she will chant the spell, then she will touch the wrap. Means here the daughter, means जो डॉटर है वो अपनी माँ से बोलती हैं कि मैं पहले जो मंत्र है उसे बोलूँगी, देन इस रैप को मैं टच करूँगी. When she had admired the wrap to her heart's content, it was replaced inside the cassette and securely locked. Here then the girl said to her mother that this heart, means this wrap is close to her heart, means it is very important and very precious for her. And then she kept the wrap on inside the casket and she done the lock of the casket. The following day the girl was married and began to live happily with her husband. Means the same day when she got the wrap, on the day she got married, and they started living, means he started living with her husband and they had a very happy life. But he knew nothing about the secret of the wrap. But the husband did not know anything about the wrap. Means जो उनकी डॉटर का जो पति थे उन्हें बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था उस रैप का सीक्रेट क्या है. The years roll by. Means here the years are going back to back. The chief and his wife grew old and died, and the chief and his wife, they become old and they died. Their daughter and her husband were left by themselves in the spacious bamboo house. Here then after the death of her parents, only her husband and the daughter was left in a large bamboo house. Spacious means large. The wrap still remain in the girls' possessions. Here the wrap is still under the ownership of the girl, means the daughter. She never wore it for the fear of spoiling it. Means here she never, the daughter did not wear, means उसने वो रैप को कभी नहीं पहना क्योंकि उन्हें ये डर था कि अगर मैं पहनूंगी तो ये थोड़ा सा स्पॉइल हो सकता है. But sometimes she took it out of the cassette and held it up so the embroidered flowers caught the light and shone like jewels. But कभी कभी वो उस रैप को बाहर निकालती हैं. Once a year she aired it and locked it right back. Means वो उस रैप को बाहर निकालती हैं, उसको थोड़ा धूप दिखाती हैं, थोड़ा एयर दिखाती हैं, एंड देन अगेन वो उसे लॉक करके रख देती हैं. शी नेवर फॉरगेट टू चैंट द स्पेल एंड शी नेवर फॉरगेट, वो कभी भी जब भी ये रैप को बाहर निकालती हैं तो पहले जो मंत्र उनकी माँ ने उनको कहा था वो पहले उसके बोलती हैं, उसके बाद ही उस रैप को टच करती हैं. बट हर हस्बैंड स्टिल डिड नॉट नो her husband did not know about the secret. बट अभी तक उनके जो हस्बैंड हैं उनको नहीं पता था कि उस रैप का सीक्रेट क्या है. What laid inside the cassette, एंड उस कैसेट में क्या रखा हुआ है, और उन्होंने कभी भी अपनी वाइफ से ये पूछा नहीं कि इसमें इस बॉक्स में क्या रखा हुआ है. और नाइदर उनकी वाइफ ने कभी बताया कि उनके पास एक मैजिक रैप है जो उनकी माँ ने उनको दिया था वेडिंग पे. One day, the chief daughter felt that it was the time she aired the rap. So there was a day, एक दिन जो चीफ की डॉटर रहती हैं उन्हें लगता है कि रैप को थोड़ा बाहर निकालते हैं एंड थोड़ा उसको एयर एंड धूप दिखाते हैं. She chanted the magic spell under her breath and unlocked the wooden casket. Here means पहले जब वो निकालती हैं तो वो मंत्र पहले बोलती हैं, फिर उस कैसेट को खोलती हैं एंड देन रैप को निकालती हैं. Then carefully lifting up the wrap. Then she was picking. The daughter was lifting means picking up the wrap. She spread it out so the gentle mountain air could blow over it. Here means उस रैप को वो निकालती हैं और उसको स्प्रेड करती हैं ताकि उसमें थोड़ा सा एयर लग जाए. For a while she stood there, unable to tear herself away from the glowing colors. And जब वो उसको फैलाती हैं तो वो उसे फिर से उसको देखती हैं एंड वो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लो करता है with different colors. And then suddenly she remembered that her husband had asked for dish of crabs for his midday meal. देन जब वो उस रैप को देखती हैं और फिर उनको देखती हैं और एडमायर करती हैं तभी उनको सडनली याद आता है दैट उनको अभी डिश बनानी है कैब्स फॉर हर हस्बैंड. लीविंग द रैप वेयर इट वॉज शी picked up a basket and set out for a nearby stream to look for carps. Then वो उस रैप को वहीं छोड़ देती हैं एंड वो कैप मीन्स क्रैब्स बनाने के लिए चली जाती हैं उसे स्टीम करने के लिए. As she hurried down the path to the stream, she met her husband. Means when she was going down the path, she met her husband. वो अपने हस्बैंड से मिलती हैं जब वो नीचे जाती हैं. He was coming from a visit to the next village. Means वो एक विलेज का विजिट करके एक विलेज से आ रहे थे. The chief's daughter told him to keep an eye on the rap. Then the chief daughter told her husband to keep an eye. वो अपने हस्बैंड को बोलती हैं कि आप नज़र रखिए रैप पे. But she cautioned, oh no account are you to touch the rap, not even if rain falls or torrents or hailstones come down as big as crabs. Means here the chief daughter is saying to her husband that कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे बारिश हो जाए, तूफान आ जाए, बट आप उस रैप को टच नहीं करना. आप बस वहाँ जाइए और उस रैप को ध्यान रखिए. So now students, half portion of the lesson we have completed. Rest we will do in our next class. Now you have to give your attendance. For that, write your name, class and section on the comment section below. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, be safe and stay at your home.